Guys, how are you? Uh, I remember last year I came here, the Sandoa Waterfall. It's very popular in this part of my country, in Azad Kashmir. It's a very small waterfall, but amazing and natural. So last year I came here, I couldn't record this for you people, but today I have a full plan to record this lake and the surroundings here. So this way just leads towards that lake, and I would show you. I would love to show you. It's a natural, sorry, not lake. It's a waterfall actually. So it's a fantastic waterfall. So I would like to show you that. So here we go. We'll see this. Let's go. So it's about to be dusk now, and the surroundings are quite filthy. I mean, not well cleaned. But this one actually, this it's not a big waterfall, but it's not, you can say, a tall waterfall, but still people come here. It's called a waterfall actually. So I would get access to get near to this. So I think I must take this way. There are villages around. People live around here, and there are some animals who are like having water here, but this is a lake actually. It's a small lake, and then this lake turns into a waterfall there. There are some goats who are sitting here and having water. But let me see, where can I get near to this lake? Okay, so here we go. Let's go there. My God. Okay. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm here actually. Yeah, here we go. Fantastic. Wow. This is Sandoa Waterfall. And I would love to go down there. Hope so I will not fall. I will not slip from here. These are the slippery rocks. Look at this. The water must be cold here. Yeah. Okay, look at this. Look at that flow of the water. And look at the surroundings here. Awesome. There are hills. There are small mountains here. There are villages here too. Let me get close to this lake, this waterfall. Sorry. This one. Yeah, look at that. It's in pressure actually. Much pressure. Yeah. Okay. My God. Oh my God. Yeah. Yes, look at this. Look at this fantastic scenery. It's very beautiful. Awesome. The water would have been quite cold. Let me check the temperature of the water. Yeah, look at this. This must be cold. Oh my God, that's very cold actually. Yeah. So, very good, awesome, nice. So actually I don't have much time to spend here because I have to go back to Lahore before 7 and 8, and I have just 4 to 5 hours to go attend. So that's why. But I think so. It's a good place to come to spend some time. Well, so thank you very much for watching this short video. It was about Sandoa Waterfall, which is a natural waterfall in this part of my country, Azad Kashmir. So thank you very much.